Hello, and welcome to Administrative Controls Management's Fundamentals of Cost Estimating course overview. This one-day course is designed for the novice estimator and contains the building blocks that every individual needs to know. Within this course, participants will not only go through an in-depth presentation, but will also work alongside industry experts to complete various examples and exercise problems. Based upon the relationship between time and money, participants are taught the principles of the various types of cost estimating, such as order of magnitude, budget, and definitive estimates. Participants will also be taught the various elements of cost estimating, such as direct and indirect costs, and they are also taught the various processes of cost estimating. Considerable emphasis is placed upon designing elements of the cost estimate and the allocation of such elements in a project. Several methods of the rough order of magnitude estimate are reviewed, including the end product units method, the physical dimensions method, and the parametric method. In order to provide the best experience for this course, participants will receive a comprehensive workbook prepared by ACM that will allow them to take notes and follow along. If you would like to learn more about this course or the other courses that ACM has to offer, please reach out by phone at 734-995-9640 or go to acmpm.com for more information. ACM has office locations in Michigan, North Carolina, and Ohio, and our vision is to be your first choice for project management. At ACM, we aim to provide the most timely and cost-effective solutions to our clients' project management concerns. ACM is the first approved education provider as certified by AACE International and a Project Management Institute Global Registered Education Provider. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.